Hi, Colin with Diode Dynamics, here to introduce our Stealth Light Bar Bracket Kit for the 2015 to 2019 Chevy Colorado. Some companies make you drill, cut, or make irreversible modifications to your frame or bumper to install their light bars. Our engineers have designed a steel powder-coated bracket that allows you to mount a 30-inch light bar without any modification using factory mounting locations. Having a light bar here allows you to keep a factory look while drastically improving your light output compared to just using headlights or high beams. This bracket kit can be installed with basic hand tools in your garage and can easily be adjusted later on without removing the bumper. If you'd like to get yourself a Stealth Light Bar Bracket Kit or any of our other products, visit us at DiodeDynamics.com or use our dealer locator tool to find a dealer near you. Thanks for watching.